Hello guys, in this particular video I am going to give you the exact step-by-step process how you can invite someone to access your Wix account. You might be aware about Wix. So Wix is a powerful tool for website designing. So in this video I am going to give you the exact strategy how you can invite someone to access your Wix account, no matter whether you want to give access to your colleagues, your business partner, your freelancer or digital marketing agency. So stay tuned, just follow the process step by step with me.
First of all, you need to log in inside the Wix website, okay? Just go to login, then put your email address, then also continue with Google. So in this way, you can just log in inside your Wix 1276. After having the login inside the Wix, now, so the concept of this video is to invite someone to manage your Wix platform. Just go to settings, go to team. This option team. Just click on team. So now you see that we have the option to invite teammates, and we also define manage roles. Just invite teammates and put here like info@jansingh.com. Send invite. But for that, we also define the role of the particular person, whether you want to give account admin, site manager, site designer, backend official manager, content writer, CMS editor, CMS admin, marketing manager, custom relationship manager, payment admin, financial manager, payment option manager. So there are lots of options. There are lots of options to manage the roles. So in this case, I'm just going to use the account admin. Okay, just go to send invite. Now see whether you have that invitation or not. Just refresh it. Just inbox home. Refresh it. Now see, here I have the invitation from the Wix to manage their account. In this way, you can also invite someone to manage your Wix studio. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I will definitely going to reply. Thank you so much.